Good morning. I'm going to show you guys an example of solving another qualitative example problem. We've done this before when we did Coulomb's law, qualitative problems, but let's do another one this time thinking about Ohm's law. So we have a resistor with a resistance of R connected to a battery with voltage V to produce a current of I. So no numbers. What would be the new current in terms of I if the voltage is doubled and the resistance is halved? So I'm going to write my formula, V equals IR. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to find a ratio for what I need to multiply I by to get a new I. So I'm going to put ones here. And I'm going to solve this first. Solve for I. Because it says everything needs to be in terms of I, so I need to make sure that I have I by itself. So if I divide away R on both sides, this is going to cancel. I'm going to be left with I is equal to V over R, and those are the original ones. Now it's saying that my new current, or it's saying that my voltage is doubled and resistance is halved, right? So now my V is 2V, and now my R is 1/2 R. So I'm going to plug in those ratios. So now it's going to say I2 is equal to 2V1 over 1/2 R1. And I want to simplify this. So I'm going to pull those two numbers out. And I'm also going to use some fraction math. So my numerator is still going to stay at 2. But this 1 divided by 1/2, I'm going to turn that into 2. So this is going to end up being 2 times 2 times my V over R and my originals. So 2 times 2 is 4. So that means that my new current is 4 times V1 over R1, which is the same thing as my original current. So that means my new current is 4 times I1, and this is what I would write down. All right, hopefully this time it's going to make more sense than it did with Coulomb's law.